skyscrapers and landscapes. They're interesting to draw. They got the tall buildings and the street scenes. I like the architecture and the detail. My name is Stephen Wiltshire. I'm an artist and I draw from memory. Being an artist makes me feel good. I can express my passion. I listen to the Motown soul because it helps me to relax. I have drawn people and I have drawn cities because we are all united. We are family, one nation. Do the best you can and never stop. I believe in this because we grow, we expand and we learn.
Belonging is feeling that there's a place for you somewhere and that you're valued wherever you are.
Being treated with respect and as an individual, not a number.
Being a part of something really special.
I can be me.
One team going in the same direction.
Including everyone in everything.
I feel happy and comfortable being myself, and that to me is what belonging at Bentley is all about.